For our lawyers as advised that premise on this court order that was issued yesterday, that we allow the court and the lawyers to work it out in a court of law, other than going to move forward today to table a motion of impeachment that will hit into illegalities. Therefore, I'm reliably advised by our legal experts that today is not the right day for us to table this motion because the court has put a little bit some of brakes. But we believe, as we said before, that if it is true, we have a notice of motion which are live before the Assembly of Nairobi, which passed through all the litmus test of a notice of motion. It's a fact. It's also a fact that the honorable members of the County Assembly had appended their signatures for the motion to be moved. And that's a fact. It's also a fact that we tabled a notice of motion before this assembly. And that's a fact. No one can dissuade us from that. It's also a fact that the notice of motion was accompanied by grounds of impeachment. That fact cannot be dissuaded by anyone. That does not say that this motion is dead before the assembly. It is now before the assembly under Article 195 of the Constitution and also before the court for adjudication, which our lawyers are working hard that on Monday when this case is coming up, if you read the order, it says subject to the decision of the court. Therefore, our lawyers are going to put a spirited fight on Monday, and we hope that by next week, possibly, God willing, if the courts give us green lights, we'll be able to come back and talk as a party and make decisions way forward.